Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, with a 10 by 20 inch canvas and a black pre-primed edge that's quickly drying. That's Meeden black paint, and the edge is black because I expect my swipe color to be my Amsterdam black and Aussie Floetrol, and start at both edges. And that black paint is dry, so I'd really like, to not have that big lump of stuff right there, which I will pull out in a minute. Actually, I'll pull that right out right now. I don't think it probably matters at all what the background is, so long as it's somewhat wet and I can put colors over it. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to get on with making it moist and trying to find all the weird things that don't belong in it. I guess I should check my bottle of paint because it seems like it might need to be screened out, which is a shame because I want to put some more down. Could make a kind of an interesting pattern for right now. Like I said, I don't think it matters. I'm going to use my Prizm Pours, my Prizm Pour colors from Color Art. There is a 20% off coupon below the video. If you can't see below the video and you'd like a link, just ask me. I'd be happy to help you. I also put some of them on my Amazon link, which is on the link tree. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. Although I was talking about wanting some more paint. And I'm just going to use, this is Ambrosia. And it's not going to make any rhyme or reason, I don't believe, but I am looking for that lid. I did add a little bit of distilled water today because my paints were getting thick, and I do mix with Vivid Polypore and GAC 800, which they're actually still distributing. Yay. This is some hot orchid. I'm just going to dribble everywhere. This is some pink diamond. I'd like the center to be a little bit sunsetting. I don't know what that's going to be like in this. This is Tuscan Sun, which is very beautiful color. Very shimmery and golden. This is a little my own orange. No idea what this is going to be like. I'm planning on putting more blue and green at the top and the bottom. So let's just have some blue velvet. I don't even know how this is going to work, to tell you the truth. A little bonfire. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's put that everywhere. It doesn't look like it's going to be beautiful, but I hope I'm wrong. This is Rose Violet, which is a gorgeous color. Which I definitely want. I'm thinking about making a forest again. I just made one by accident, and I want to make one on purpose. This is some black iris, which I'm hoping will fill in. I thought about doing a wet paper towel swipe, but I think I'm going to save that for another time. That is the Twilight Orchid, which is similar but not the same. And absolutely stellar. All I know is I need to get my paints down fast enough. I have some Poinsettia that But I'd like to get the top back on before it gets any gloppier, even though I did add some water. It's still drying pretty quickly. And the top is right here. I tend to like to use a lot of colors. I think you might have noticed. I want to put some Chantilly lace in there just because I like the idea of adding some sparkle and adding another little bit of paint. And if it comes out a little bit white, this is Northern Sky with a big lump on the end. Come on. I don't, really? I just got rid of whatever was clogging my bottle. I like the frozen. I should be a little more random than this. I like it more random. This is Fandango. It seems a little bit plugged. Seems more than a little bit. And I don't actually know that I want to take that top off right now. That's a little better. I thought it was going to be better. I guess I'm an optimist. Well, there goes nothing. I'm going to take the top off. Come on. That's a lot of paint. Okay, so I have some Peacock. That I need to use up before I mix up a larger bottle of this stuff. But I'm still going to scavenge what's in the bottom, so I'm going to put the top back on again. And I've got the end of my Claret. Do I really want to use that here and now? That's a good question. I'm going to use a little bit. I'm going to take that hair out. I love this color, and I've just ordered some more. And now it's time to do the magic. And I have created, oh, go back on lid, please. No, it's not going to go on back easily. I've created a little reservoir made out of a plastic package. And I'm going to put some of my black cell activator right in the bottom. Grab my card. Make sure I have it beside without any nubbies on it. I wanted some gold in there and I didn't put much in there. Let's use some Mayan gold. I see there's already the Tuscan gold. The only problem with the small bottles is once the marble that I use to mix things up gets in the tip, I'm in trouble at that point. Get some bottles out of the way. I might want some purple too. I might want some everything. And I might want a scrape dish, or I might want to go up from the other side. I might want to push that right off and go back again. Because I'm planning on going up from the bottom as well as down from the top. I got some weird bubbles. How strange. I've never seen that before. Let me think. What did I shake up? Obviously my wet background wasn't wet enough, so I would definitely advise a wetter background than the one I put on there. But knowing me, I will resolve my issue by dabbing my card. I want to use a whole bunch more cell activator. And I think that'll help too. As well as dabbing the card is bringing up some really cool colors in the background, and I like that about it. I've got a bunch of white spaces, but you know they're not really white spaces because I put paint on that canvas. I'm going to try applying my cell activator directly to the card. Go down a little further and then go back again. Because I want to know if that's going to be helpful. Because I double swipe fairly frequently whenever I feel like doing it. And it's not really a problem most of the time. I could also probably take the dull end of a skewer and dab in those holes, the gaps, but I kind of like them. I grab the end of this cell activator because it is, somebody mentioned, it's like liquid gold, and it is like liquid gold. I really like the accidental marks left behind. I don't know why I'm complaining about them, because I think they're really outrageously cool. And I like having paint colors on my card that I can go back again. I was going to use more purple. Maybe I should. Purple is a dioxazine purple. It's just a nice dark color, and they seem to be the key. Back push that off. Pull that right down. I don't need exact things. Now I'm going to move to my other side. Although I seem to not be able to get myself to do it. I really love the black contrast a lot. I can use whatever color I've got to go down over my edges if I want. Scrape off my card. Look at my dish is gorgeous. I don't know if that was long enough. Sorry, I didn't mean to whip that away from you so quickly. I'm really tempted. Oh, I want more green. I wish that Fandango was open. I need a sharp. There we go. Now we're free and clear. Come on, back on you go. I kind of feel like I didn't have enough paint across the top of this first side. And I want to. I can feel paint chips on my fingers. I'm just going to go for the purple. Scrape that off again. Part of me just wants to use my spatula because it works really well. Part of me wants to put it right directly on the painting. I used to do that with the Meeden black, and it does work. I don't know if this is going to be forest or it's just going to be a cool swipe. Let's do a little more. Yes, I am dripping. I don't think I care. I'm loving the weird gaps. I think it's odd how many white. Okay, so I do sell my artwork. We'll see if anybody would like this. I like this. I'm going to stick my finger in a bunch of those holes and pop a couple bubbles. Because I can, the name of my first book on the Amazon link. And I want to take a straw. I do love the texture. Maybe this was just a meant to be thing. I think I could probably use a different tool to swipe with. This card is not impressing me this time with its ease of use. And definitely a heavier layer. I am getting some cells. Reminds me more like a freaky mosaic than anything. I kind of want to use some gold. I think I'm going to use purple. I might still use the gold. I don't know if I'm going to call that a success. It's definitely not what I had in mind, but I like it anyway, if that makes any sense. And if I like the white spots, I should let them be alone, but I don't seem to be capable of doing that, so I'm not sure why that is either. Maybe it's just my OCD personality coming out at an inopportune time. So that was supposed to be the background for some trees, and I suppose I could still do that. Kind of want to use my little blower in there. Kind of thinking it's sort of fabulous. I'm going to try some gold in the center if it comes out. Okay, so I got to say goodbye. Don't forget to check out the coupon code underneath the video. Know that I have 2,300 videos. I'm going to zoom in. I'm not going to try and show the shimmer. This is my strange taste. Maybe I will try and show the shimmer, who knows. Depends on how fast my minute runs out. Love you guys. Check under the video for my link tree. So all kinds of great stuff on there. There's some beautiful shimmer in there. Not sure what I want to do with this. I might leave it alone. I might mess with those center pieces, the straight lines. I might tip it a little bit. I'd stick my finger in there because I can see a little canvas. That's actually pretty exciting. I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Not being my most graceful self, but it's okay. Nobody's perfect. I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.